In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email signatures in Zoho Mail. If you're new to Zoho Mail or simply looking to streamline your email communications, having a signature not only adds a professional touch to your emails, but also ensures that you provide essential contact information automatically in every message. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your internet browser and go to the Zoho Mail website. Once you're there, enter your account credentials and sign in. This is something you probably do often, whether it's to check messages or organize your inbox. Today, we're focusing specifically on crafting your email signature. Once you're logged in, locate the settings icon. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the interface, represented by a gear or wrench icon. Clicking on this will bring up a menu with various settings and customization options that Zoho Mail offers. For today, we're focusing on setting up your email signature. After you've opened the settings, look for the Signature option. It's typically listed under the General Settings toolbar, which is immediately visible once you're in the Settings menu. Clicking on the Signature option brings you to a dedicated page where you can manage all your signatures, whether you need just one or several for different tasks and recipients. Next, you'll notice an Add button within the Signature page. Click on this button to start creating a new email signature. This is where the real customization comes in. You'll be asked to provide a name for your signature. This name is for your reference, so choose something that will help you remember which signature you've created, especially if you plan to have multiple signatures tailored to different purposes or departments. Now, in the signature body, type in the content of your signature. Consider including your full name, position, company name, phone number, and any other relevant contact information you would like the recipients of your emails to have. You might also want to add a company logo or social media links for a more personalized and branded touch. Take some time to format it as you see fit, using the tools available to adjust text style and layout, which will help in making it stand out visually. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, don't forget to click on Save. This step ensures all your hard work isn't lost and that your new signature is stored in the system, ready to be attached to any outgoing email you send. Making sure you've saved it properly will mean that every email you send out will have that professional polish you've created. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to set up an email signature in Zoho Mail. By following these steps, you ensure your emails are consistently polished and professional, helping you to convey the right impression to every recipient. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!